Carla.
Open your presents. Open your presents. Open. Open your presents. Move, Mika. You're in the sunlight.
Sorry.
Come on. What'd you get, Antonio? Come on, mijo. What'd Santa bring you to my house? What's that?
Open.
Toilet paper? Really?
Well, I think Santa maybe knew that you learned how to go potty and wipe yourself. Is that why maybe he brought you toilet paper? No? You don't like it? Aww. Are you sad?
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here, hold this. Give me Caitlin. No, I think you were much better than that this year. Can I have my toilet paper?
That was Jen. You give me the other one. You got jump. You know how funny that is?
Yeah. I got jokes.
Yeah, Beyblade. Let it rip. Saga.
Hold on, what is it though?
Beyblade. Powered by Beyblade.
The Bay Wheel?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yay.
Open.
Come on! Take it, what is it? What is it?
I'll have a scorpion one.
Piggy?
I got a scorpion one.
Aw, you like your piggy? Dale besos. Aww.
You get something else.
Don't leave it right there.
It's clean. Woohoo! Okay.
No, Michaela, leave it alone.
What's all the
All
other
right.